So the Cemex site in Tucson, Arizona has been bulldozed. Doesn't even look like they took anything out. They just bulldozed it. To the public, this isn't accessible from the road, but there is obvious ways to get in through the back way for these cartels.
You know what I mean? Like they were, right? So I got to that point, and that's what.
This is how thick it gets in here. There's other camps that are in here that they haven't checked. There's also another one that is right next to the original site. Let's see if we can go back to it. So right there is where the original site was. Walkway was through here, went into here. This is where this is near where the area of the water tank. They pushed over all the logs. All they have to do is regather those logs and chop off the. All they have to do is chop off the branches, and they got more logs to throw over that other ditch that they have in the other area. It's twice as big, making their job easier. And to the public, this is not accessible anymore. Obviously, for the cartels, they can get in through the back. There's more camps over in this area. There's actually a bed frame that they've made out of wood with another actual mattress strapped on there. Numerous actual camping spots around there. This is actually where the blueprints were at to make the area actually a bigger, twice as big. Just so you guys know what's going on. So this was originally the main entry right in here. And yeah, you would find it by finding this gate right here and going straight across. They brought a bulldozer in, plowed everything, left it there. Didn't look like they even cleaned anything up. If you look to the left, you could still see the tarp right in this corner area. So you can see that. See, you can definitely see blue in there. That's the color of the tarp. So they didn't clean anything up. They more than likely left that tank there, but who knows? And since the police have issued this as a regular homeless camp and nothing to be seen here, this leaves this open for the cartels to go back. Also looks like they gathered some dirt right here to fill in that hole, and then they tamped it down. Or it could also make it easier for them to go in here, as all these are knocked over, creating like a tent-like structure, and all they have to do is go underneath and cut the brush and then create a new home in there. Not home, but camp or whatever they have in there. You can still see other debris. They didn't clean up at all. They just plowed it.
That's not a good thing.
That's destroying evidence. If this was conducted properly, they would have taped it off at the start. Surprised knowing that PD knows that this isn't conducting a proper investigation. If there was a murder in your home, you wouldn't be able to plow your own home just to get rid of evidence and just go home. Hopefully you guys are noticing what's going on here. It's not out of question that people could be paid off or whatever, threatened. Anything can happen in this world. This is where it actually forked off and went into other camps. You can see the tunnel area. Goes off into this area as well. So hopefully you guys got a good picture of what's going on. We're gonna try to get more info tomorrow. Thank you guys for the support. Sorry, this isn't my computer. So you can see in there where they cleared out tons of area. All they had to do is spread out, and if someone's going in one area, all they have to do is move and go to another area and stay quiet. It's not really that hard for them to do that out there. It's as you can see, it's really brushy. Tons of greenery. And it's really thick. This is where they were actually clearing out a lot of area for a lot of tent space. You could see where everyone was laying down in here. Not in this area. We haven't gotten in this area yet. Alright, well, that's all I can show you for right now. We will have more tomorrow. We're going to try looking at other places tomorrow. If you guys have any questions, just have them in the comments. And we'll try to answer them. Alright, my phone's burning up right now. Alright, thank you guys. I'll try to answer some questions. I'm going to end this live feed right now.